Is that you? Is that you? Royal Oaks. Royal Oaks students, is that you? Are you watching me watch you? Are you looking at me looking at you? I'm looking at you, you looking at me. We're looking at each other.
Yo, hello, Mr. Brown. Hello, Mr. Brown. Hello, Mr. Brown.
Mr. Brown here, and I want to make this follow-up video from our amazing assemblies. I was so grateful that you guys welcomed me onto your campus. I felt so welcomed when I came to your campus. I mean, some of you saw me coming in, you're like, oh, it's Mr. Brown. And that was really cool. And even as I left, you guys are giving me high fives and saying bye and choose well. Oh yeah, I felt welcomed. And I really do hope you remember, more than you think I'm funny, more than you think I got cool shoes, more than you think my head is shiny. Hopefully you remember the message that when you make better choices, you will live a better life. So choose well. Can I get an oh yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Hope you remember things you learned in assembly, and more importantly, to remember them, hope you do them like this. If your classmate starts talking to you, what do? Or how do you raise your hand in class? Yeah, remember, you don't have to touch your mouth because your hands might be kind of dirty, but you put your hand in front of your mouth to remind you to keep this closed, zipped up. So this is called on. And I think it's really important to show that respect. And remember, it is up to you. You can't blame anybody else. When you blurt, you get in trouble, you gotta take responsibility. I am responsible for me. Take responsibility for your own actions and be responsible. And when you raise your hand like that and you don't talk in class, you're actually being respectful too. I enjoyed my time, and I hope you guys get some more of my videos in class. And I want to come back. Yes, y'all need want me to come back. I love to come back. Don't know if I'll be able to come back this year, but love to come back in the future. And so if you really liked it, tell your parents, tell your principal that you really liked your time with me. And I'm grateful that those of you who wrote me letters and wrote me cards, that made me smile real big. Thank you. I'm smiling real big, and I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys enjoy the message. And maybe talk to your parents. Maybe ask your parents to let you watch some of my videos at home. I have a whole channel for kids called Mr. Brown Kids. And I do have a program. Matter of fact, here's the deal. I have a program called Ask Mr. Brown Kids, where you can give me your questions and I'll give you my perspective on your questions. So talk to your parents. Maybe go to the website, askmrbrown.com. You can submit your questions. And maybe if you submit a bunch of questions from your school, maybe we'll do a special Royal Oak School edition of Ask Mr. Brown Kids Edition. That's a long, long name of a show. But anyway, we'll try to do our best to stay in touch with you. But no matter what, I want you to remember the message. When you make better choices, you will live a better life. And always choose well. Can I get an oh yeah? Oh yeah. Until next time, either you see me or I see you or we see each other, whatever it is, choose well. Oh yeah. Peace.